How to record microphone audio on MacBook. So here is a step-by-step guide to record microphone audio on a MacBook. No extra third party needed because MacBook has a built-in feature. So first of all you have to do is tap on the command plus space together, and there you will get to see spotlight search option available on your screen. And from the spotlight search, all you have to do is type down the voice memos and hit enter. Now once inside the voice memos, you will get to see red button available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Allow any on-screen instructions. Then your MacBook's built-in mic will start recording. You can also use an external mic if plugged in. Then simply tap on the done button available at the bottom right corner of your screen in order to stop this, and your audio will be saved automatically. You can right click to rename, edit or share the file as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.